In a forest classroom, students learn resilience by mapping tiny microhabitats and noting how moisture, shade, and leaf litter shape survival strategies. Each microhabitat becomes a live lesson on adaptation, revealing why some plants stay dormant in winter while others flush early in spring. Instructors guide quick field experiments, comparing moisture retention in soil or tracking insect trails to understand risk and reward. This approach blends science with hands-on problem solving, building confidence while fostering respect for ecosystems. The result is a fresh, practical education that translates to real-world survival and stewardship.